Good morning, everybody. It's Chris Robinson, Rob Tech Marketing with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments. Pretty quiet overnight trade. Dees corn down a penny and a half, 442 with a 3 cent range. Spot corn down 2 3/4 at 414 and 3/4 on a 4 cent range. July spot beans up three and a half, 6 cent range. Novi beans up 2 3/4, also on about a 7 cent range there as well. July Chicago wheat still above $6, but down a nickel. Settled at $6 and a half. Kansas City down 7. So just a typical Sunday night with nothing in the news. Crude oil back below 76, trading at 75.78 as I talk to you. Um, um, RBOB, which is unleaded gas, under $3, trading at 2.97. Diesel, been watching diesel. Spot diesel is got down to as low as 304 last week. It's sitting at 312. So some good pullbacks there in that entire complex as the world watches to see if these Iranian talks actually go through. Obviously, it changes every 15 minutes depending on who you're talking to. Um, I think you have to keep a longer term outlook on that. At the end of the day, there's a drought in Europe. There is not a drought here. Probably the 2026 drought story has gone by the wayside here in North America. Now the question is going to be: are we going to get too much rain? Is too much rain going to lower um, yields for corn? And are we going to find out that we lost, 1 million acres, 2 million acres? How many acres did we lose to corn um, in this planting season? Who knows? That's the big question. If it's out of whack, it could still help prices. If it's where we were before, where everybody thought, it's probably going to be a non-event. So there's a lot riding on the acres report. It comes out on the 30th. I wrote about it in the weekly wrap over the weekend. If you want to get that, sign up for it. Call me, email me. I'll send it to you. Um, as far as the protein complex goes, we're going to see if we get any more downward pressure, but it doesn't look like it. It was slightly positive on that cattle on feed, so we'll see. Key levels, I put all these levels in the weekly wrap. August fats, August feeders. August fats are right up against contract highs. August feeders still have a way to go, but today could be pretty interesting to see if how the market moves after the cattle on feed and lean hogs. Boy, we keep waiting for hogs to find a base down here. The deferred markets seem like they've tried to. You've got Fed 2027 out there. It traded as low as 77. It finished last week at 78. Um, those the lean hog market is extremely oversold. Roll down your puts, and if you're selling animals into this 7 month low, take a look at buying cheap calls in case we get a recovery. That's about it. This is Chris Robinson Ag Marketing, 312-638-8868. Give me a call if you're looking for specific advice. I provide specific hedges, specific cash sale recs. So if that's something that you're looking for, give me a call. I've been working with farmers and producers since 2010. Prior to that, I spent 23 years at the floor of the Board of Trade, trading my own account. Okay, guys, have a great day.